Technology and medicine have gone hand in hand for many years. Constant progress in the medical field has saved millions of lives. In today's video of Tech Region, we have rounded up the top 5 new medical technologies that will lead the future of healthcare. Number 5. 3D printing. 3D printers have become one of the hottest technologies on the market. In healthcare, these game-changing printers can be used to develop implants and even joints that are used during surgery. 3D printed prosthetics are popular as they are custom-made, with the digital functionalities allowing them to match an individual's measurements down to the millimeter. Using 3D printing for pre-surgical planning is also earning momentum. Using a realistic representation of an actual patient's anatomy is enabling surgeons to undertake methods that they wouldn't have done previously. The skill to plan a complex surgery and train before the procedure itself by using 3D printed models has the potential to not only increase success rates, but also to decrease time in the operating room and recovery time. The use of printers can create both long-lasting and soluble items. For instance, 3D printing can be used to print pills that include multiple medicines, which will help patients to deal with the organization, timing, and monitoring of multiple medications. Number 4. Artificial intelligence. This is one of the most exciting technologies in the healthcare industry. AI is proving to be extremely valuable when it comes to discovering diseases early and for confirming an accurate diagnosis quicker. For instance, in breast cancer care, the use of AI is allowing the review of mammograms to be 30 times faster with 99% accuracy and decreasing the need for unnecessary biopsies. AI is also being used to supervise early-stage heart disease, allowing healthcare providers to find out potentially life-threatening problems at earlier and at more treatable stages. In addition, AI is also helping clinicians to build more detailed treatment programs and allowing patients to manage their conditions more effectively. Drug research and discovery is one of the modern applications for AI in life sciences. It's able to streamline the drug discovery procedures by creating more efficient paths to discover and repurpose medicines and cutting down the time it takes to market a new drug and reducing their linked costs. Number 3. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is now being used to treat and manage a broad range of psychological illnesses and conditions, from stress and anxiety to dementia and autism. But its powers are not just limited to mental health conditions. It's also being used for productive pain management by changing the patient's opinions and awareness around pain. VR has also improved the training procedures for medical professionals, as it allows you to be transferred into the human body. It also helps when doctors are diagnosing, as the patient is able to virtually step into a spectacular view of their body, while giving them a better insight of their disease. Number 2. Neurotechnology. Neurotechnology holds immense potential to improve many aspects of life. It's already being applied in the medical and healthcare industries, but also has many future importance for other contexts including education, workplace management, national security, and even sports. Neurotechnology includes all components that are developed to understand the brain, visualize its processes, and even control, repair, or enhance its functions. These components can be computers, electrodes, or any other devices that can be set up to block electric pulses that run through the body. In healthcare, neurotechnology is now being used in brain imaging by recording magnetic fields generated by electrical activity with the brain, neurostimulation, stimulating the brain and nervous system to affect brain activity. In neuro devices, it's a rising technology that monitors or regulates brain activity using an implant. Neuro devices are still in the research phase, but they hold major potential for treating brain disorders. Neurotechnology is still quite controversial. It raises questions about rights to data and privacy. Its future applications are not totally mapped out, but with the continued rise and identification of neurological disorders and conditions, neurotechnology is believed to experience immense growth in the global healthcare market. Number 1. Precision medicine. Medical technology is becoming more and more personalized to individual patients. Precision medicine reflects upon the individual variability in genetics, environment, and lifestyle for each patient. For instance, when using precision medicine to treat a patient with cancer, the medicine can be modified to them based on their unique genetic makeup. This personalized medicine is more helpful than other types of treatment as it ambushes tumors based on the patient's genetics, resulting in gene mutations and making it more easily destroyed by the cancer medication. Precision medicine also presents huge opportunities in transforming the future of healthcare. While it is currently the most advanced in oncology, precision medication also has broader and exciting applications. It also holds some promise in treating infections. However, integrating precision medicine into healthcare is a challenging process with issues like infrastructure, inequalities, and knowledge that the field must overcome before this becomes mainstream. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out.